Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I thought I'd bring you along as I make some Nutella brownies, and these are going to be gooey and fudgy and taste real good. So to start, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a 8.5 by 8.5 baking dish, or you can use a 9 by 9, it doesn't really matter. I have it lined with some parchment paper, plus I sprayed a little bit of nonstick spray. And don't worry, I'll take my clothespins off before I put it in the oven. We're going to be using a half a cup of dark chocolate chips. You need dark chocolate or bittersweet. We have 3/4 cup of butter that I've cubed. That's 1.5 sticks. 1 cup of all-purpose flour with just 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1.5 cups of sugar. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. A half a cup of your favorite chocolate hazelnut spread, and 3 large eggs. So first we're going to put our chocolate and our butter in the microwave and melt it at 30-second intervals until the chocolate is fully melted. So I'll bring you back after that's done. Okay, it only took my chocolate and my butter a minute to melt, so everything's melted and blended up smooth. So I'm just going to pour this into a bigger bowl. Now I'm going to add my sugar and mix that well. Now I'm going to add my vanilla. And my 3 eggs and mix that very well. And now I'm going to stir in my Nutella. And now we're going to mix our flour and salt in just a little bit at a time. And now let's add some more chocolate chips to it. Got a cup of some semi-sweet chocolate. And I'm going to add a little bit more of my dark chocolate chips. About 3/4 cup. You can stop at a cup, or you don't even have to add the chips at all, but it does help it to add the chips to it. Now we're going to undercook these just a little bit, but you want to cook it till a toothpick comes out kind of clean. It's going to be a little crumbly with just a little bit of chocolate on it. And of course, cooking times will vary due to the pan size and everything. Now again, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. This could take 20 minutes or up to 30 minutes. I'll let you know how long mine took, but again, cooking times will vary. So I'll bring you back. Okay, my Nutella brownies actually took around 40-45 minutes to bake. And when I checked it, I didn't check it directly in the middle. I went about 1 inch out from the edge. So I'm just going to take this out of the pan, let it cool for about 5-10 minutes, and then I'll come back and slice it and we'll try a bite. Okay, I'm ready to try my Nutella brownie. I got you zoomed in so hopefully you can see how moist and chocolatey and everything it is, and a little bit ooey and gooey. This is so good. It's like a good rich brownie. And this would go great with a scoop of ice cream and then some hot fudge or chocolate sauce poured over it. So it's really good. And how I like to do my brownies, like later on tonight when I get hungry, once the brownies is done kind of got to room temperature, I will heat my slice in the microwave for just a few seconds and let them chocolate chips get soft again, and it is so good. So thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you, and please feel free to share this video. The ingredients and directions will be in the description box below. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.